Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, JQ Crafty. My name is Jackie, and I am finally joining in with How to Kill a Kit with Style. I have realized I've kind of broken into my stash enough, and then I have some kits that I'd like to use. So I figured I would join in and we would do this, and I would try to kill a kit. What's funny though is, for my first month of doing this, I am not using an old kit that has been sitting in my stash. I'm using a brand new kit because I wanted to play with it so bad. So this is the Best of Both Worlds kit from Shimelle for May. So I saw when she posted it, I did a haul video about this. So I'm not going to go into too much detail of what I've got, but only one thing I had to change that she had on her list was the stamp set. The stamp set was no longer available when I went to go purchase it. So I purchased this one instead, which is a Lawn Fawn one, which had Hello Sunshine and a Sun. Not the same as what hers had, but at least it's that kind of stamp set. It also had balloons and stuff and a bee, and so I thought it would be a really good stamp set to have anyway. So this is the one I grabbed. She had Rustic Wilderness listed in her kit as well. We've got some Ulta New enamel dots in beautiful shades of green. I really like this kit because my son's favorite color is green. There's a lot of green involved in it, and it's a really good mix of Jen Hadfield, and just Pink Fresh, and what else is in here? Yeah, it's a lot of Jen Hadfield, a little bit of Heidi Swap, a little bit of Maggie Holmes. So it was a really good mix. So that was one reason I wanted to, and it wasn't uber girly. Like, we could make it stretch. So also in the kit is Paige Evans' Wonders sticker book, Pink Fresh Someday chipboard flare, the Somedays Pink Fresh Puffy Alphas in a green, the Somedays cardstock stickers. I love their cardstock stickers. The All This Happiness. This is color study. Oh my gosh, Vicky Booten color study chipboard, which is super fun. And then I'll just zip through the papers really quick with you. So here's Jen Hadfield reaching out. Bunch of papers from her. And I'm super excited to be playing with this. I'm going to play along with May I Scrap With You as much as I can this month. So a lot of this, oh yeah, and this is a garden party today. And this is Brave and Bold. Pink Fresh Keeping It Real. This is a Wonders. Another Brave and Bold. I really like that one. The green. Another Reaching Out. Pink Fresh. From Some Days, the Cut Apart. This is a Jen Hadfield, Reaching Out, and a Heidi Swap. Sunny Skies from her Carefree collection. And then this is the one Maggie Holmes that's in there. Garden Party. Pastry Party. I will probably be using this then. So yeah, so that is what I'm going to use for my How to Kill a Kit with Style. We will see how many things I can create with it, and I will show you what I've created and what's left at the end of the month. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you next time. Bye.